Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nubia Z60 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top and hit Send at the bottom left corner of your Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nubia. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!